Fayette Urban County Council met this afternoon and they talked about a Lexington emergency shelter study. That study included 4 possible locations for a permanent homeless shelter. WKYT's Jessica Umbro explains what that study found and what questions it has now raised.
When the presentation for a potential permanent homeless shelter started, it kicked off addressing one of the concerns that we heard from people trying to ask them about this potential project that would be in their own backyard. The study listed 4 places as an example of a location for a permanent homeless shelter. Those spots included the former Tan Park Healthcare Center, but we quickly found out from neighbors that they had been told months ago the location would be revamped as a senior living facility. Another location listed, the former Eastland Bowling Alley, even brought out a community member who came down to the government center to voice her concerns about the project.
We appreciate the efforts to distribute these solutions throughout the city rather than concentrate them all in one area. However, the Eastland area already carries a very heavy load with the Catholic Action Center.
Nearly 2.5 hours into the meeting, that concern was addressed by the Commissioner of Housing Advocacy and Community Development, Charlie Lanter.
Let's just listen to what the need is without worrying too much about the locations. I know there's a lot of hype around some locations that are mentioned in the report. Those are illustrative examples. 2 or 3 of those aren't even available anymore. They're literally nothing to worry about. They're not even for sale. The idea is that's the kind of property we need.
We're going to work to ask local leaders for clarification as to why these 4 addresses were included as example locations, given that it did bring some concern and it did bring people all the way down here to the government center. In Lexington, Jessica Umbro, WKYT.